Communications has shaped the way computers have been used over the past decade. Some communications involve cables and wires, others are sent wirelessly through the air. The Internet offers worldwide communications. For successful computer communications, you need a sending device, a communications channel, and a receiving device. Computers and mobile devices are sending and receiving devices. A common communications device that connects a communications channel to a sending or receiving device, such as a computer, is a modem. In previous chapters, many uses of computer communications have been discussed. Of the uses, email may be today's most popular and influential communications technology. However, as you have learned, email is not the only way to communicate using the computer. Listed on this screen are over a dozen examples. With wireless messaging services, users can send and receive wireless messages. Users send and receive wireless messages to and from smartphones, cell phones, handheld game consoles, and other mobile devices using text messaging, picture messaging, video messaging, and wireless instant messaging. A wireless Internet access point allows people to connect wirelessly to the Internet. Many software products allow users to collaborate or work online with other users connected to a server. There are many advantages to using a network: facilitating communications, sharing hardware, sharing data and information, sharing software, and transferring funds. Networks exist in a range of sizes, from a small network connecting two home computers to a global network such as the Internet. Networks are widely used in business. One network category is the local area network, commonly referred to as a LAN. A LAN is situated in a limited geographic area. When local area networks are connected in a city or town, the network is categorized as a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A wide area network covers a large geographic area. Another example is the Internet, the world's largest wide area network. The network architecture or design is categorized as either client-server or peer-to-peer. On a client-server network, computers and mobile devices on the network are the clients that rely on the server for its resources. The server has more storage and power than the clients. Some servers are dedicated and perform a specific task, such as file server, print server, database server, or network server. Computers on a peer-to-peer network are equals. The computers are called peers, and each computer has equal responsibilities and capabilities on this type of network. Peer-to-peer networks are ideal for very small businesses and home users. Internet peer-to-peer networks enable users to connect to each other's hard disks and exchange files directly. A network's topology determines the path data follows as it is routed from one device in a network to another. Three commonly used network topologies include bus, ring, and star. An intranet is an internal network that applies internet and web technologies. An extranet is an intranet that allows outside access to part of the intranet. Communications software helps users establish a connection to another computer or network, manages the transmission of data, and provides an interface for users to communicate with one another. The Public Switch Telephone Network, PSTN, is a worldwide telephone system. The telephone network uses dial-up lines or dedicated lines. A dial-up line is a temporary connection, while a dedicated line is an always-on connection. A common communications device that connects a communications channel to a sending or receiving device such as a computer is a modem. The telephone network is an essential part of computer communications. Data, instructions, and information can be transmitted over the telephone network. Dial-up is one way to establish an internet or network connection using modems and the telephone network. A modem is a popular communications device. Examples of digital modems include ISDN, DSL, and cable modems. A dial-up modem converts digital signals to analog signals and vice versa. As opposed to a dial-up line, a dedicated line is always on. Quality and consistency of dedicated lines is much better compared to dial-up. Integrated Services Digital Network, ISDN, is one type of dedicated line for the small business or home user. A digital subscriber line, DSL, is a growing, popular, always-on connection. DSL transmits at fast speeds on existing standard copper telephone wiring. However, it does require a special network card and a DSL modem. Cable TV is another popular dedicated line. Because cable is a shared system without special security software, even a novice hacker can access a computer using a cable modem. Wireless modems have an external or built-in antenna. The antenna on the wireless PC card modem inserted in a PC slot on a notebook computer communicates with a wireless internet service provider. Every device on a network needs a network card. A network card connects different transmission media to different types of computers. Wireless access points allow computers and devices to transfer data wirelessly among themselves or to transfer data wirelessly to a wired network. A router connects multiple computers together and transmits data to its correct destination on the network. A router can be used on any size of network. Routers forward data on the Internet using the fastest path available. There are several advantages listed on this screen to networking home computers. A communications channel is a transmission media on which data, instructions, and information travel in a communication system. Transmission media are materials capable of carrying one or more signals. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can travel over a communications channel. Twisted pair cable is used for telephone systems and networking cabling. Coaxial cable is often used for cable television wiring. Fiber optic cable is less susceptible to interference, that is noise, and therefore more secure. Wireless transmission media is used when it is inconvenient, impractical, or impossible to install cables. Wireless transmission media includes infrared, broadcast radio, cellular radio, microwaves, and communication satellites.